In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can receive cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, a quick little disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only and this is not financial advice. But to receive cryptocurrency here on Coinbase, you need to, of course, make sure that you are signed into your account, and you need to go ahead and stay on the home page and select Pay down in the bottom right corner. Sometimes this is called Send and Receive, but for the most part, they updated this, and now it is just called Pay. But once you hit Pay, you'll be on a Payments tab that looks something like this. Go ahead and make sure that you select the correct cryptocurrency that you want right here, and you could choose really a bunch of them, and you could search for them as well. Then go ahead and select Receive. Once you do that, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. If it's your first time receiving crypto, it may ask you if you want to enable instant transfers. Turning this on does allow Coinbase users to send funds to you instantly through Coinbase. But after that, go ahead and select the cryptocurrency that you want as well. And that's going to be up here. And once again, you could search for whatever it is that you want on here. Once you select that, it's going to generate you an address, which you could just copy, just like so, as well as a QR code. Either go ahead and send that person your crypto wallet address, and this will change pretty much every single time, so just keep that in mind, or share that QR code with the person sending you crypto. Just before sharing it, make sure that you have selected the correct cryptocurrency again, since different assets use different wallet addresses. But that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.